Hello, I'm Rob with the Eterra attachments, and I'm here to introduce you to our mini skid steer sickle bar attachment. This attachment, as you see it, will fit on all mini universal mini skid steer style machines. We also have adapters available that will allow you to install it on practically any machine. I'm going to demonstrate some roadside cutting here. What I've got is a mixture of blackberries, other types of berries, and some canary reed grass. So it gives me a kind of a good mixture to show you just how well it cuts.